Hi everyone! Today, we're making a cozy British autumn classic beef stew with dumplings, but we're giving it a family-friendly twist. Actually, this is the first time I'm making this beef stew with dumplings myself. I was a bit nervous, but it turned out to be such a hit with the family. Instead of using wine or beer like you might usually find in this recipe, we're using homemade grape juice. This keeps the stew alcohol-free and perfect for kids. It's such a comforting dish, especially when the weather starts to turn chilly outside. There's something so warm and inviting about the slow-cooked stew bubbling away on the stove. I love making this recipe in the autumn because it really captures that cozy, rustic feeling. Think golden leaves, woolly scarves, and the smell of a roaring fire. The dumplings are simple to make and add the perfect fluffy topping to the rich beef and vegetable stew. They soak up all those delicious juices. Using homemade grape juice not only keeps it kid-friendly, but it also adds a lovely natural sweetness and depth to the stew. If you don't have grape juice, apple juice works well too. As this simmers, the beef becomes melt in your mouth tender, and the vegetables soak up all those lovely flavors. It's a real one-pot wonder. This is the kind of meal that brings the family together, everyone gathered around the table, sharing stories and enjoying good food. I always say, food like this is about more than just eating. It's about comfort, love, and making memories. So, whether you're cooking for little ones or just want a hearty autumn dinner, this beef stew with dumplings is perfect. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this cozy recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. Stay warm, stay happy, and see you next time.